Zuli was a curious little boy who lived on Earth. One night, while lying under the stars, he saw a strange shooting star that zoomed down and landed right in front of him. From the star emerged a star sprite named Nova, glowing bright blue and buzzing with excitement. "Zuli!" Nova exclaimed. "Starhaven needs your help. Our universe is losing its sparkle because the great cosmic clock has stopped ticking. Without it, the stars will stop shining." Before Zuli could reply, Nova sprinkled him with stardust, and whoosh! He was whisked away into the sparkling sky. Zuli and Nova landed on Sweetopia, a planet made entirely of candy. Rivers of chocolate flowed under marshmallow bridges, and gumdrop trees glistened in the sunlight. But the creatures on the planet, made of jelly and licorice, were in trouble. "Our candy is melting because the sun won't shine properly," cried the Gummy King, a wobbly, bright red jelly creature. Zuli used a giant lollipop as a paddle to steer a caramel canoe and helped Nova collect magical sugar crystals. These crystals would recharge the cosmic clock. Next, Zuli and Nova flew to catch the singing comet, a massive rock zooming through space, humming beautiful tunes. But the comet was sad and off-key. "I've lost my sing gem. Without it, I can't make the universe happy with my songs," it wailed. Zuli spotted the gem stuck inside a ring of Saturn-like donuts. He jumped from donut to donut, dodging sprinkles and icing to grab the gem. Once returned, the comet sang a joyful melody, lighting up nearby stars. Their last stop was Lunabow, the rainbow moon. It was supposed to glow with colors, but now it was gray and dull. The moon sprites explained that the moon's paintbrush had been stolen by the mischievous Shadow Puff, a cloud-like creature that loved causing trouble. Zuli and Nova devised a plan. They used star nets to catch the Shadow Puff, tickling it with stardust until it laughed so hard it dropped the brush. Zuli painted the moon back to its rainbow glory, making it sparkle brighter than ever. The great cosmic clock. With all the items, sugar crystals, the song gem, and the rainbow brush, Zuli and Nova finally reached the Tower of Time, where the great cosmic clock stood frozen. Zuli placed the crystals in the clock's heart, the gem in its pendulum, and painted the clock's hands with rainbow stardust. Tick, tock, boom! The clock sprang to life, and the universe lit up like fireworks. Stars shimmered, planets spun joyfully, and Starhaven was saved. The returned Nova thanked Zuli and gave him a glowing star pendant. "If you ever want to visit again, just wish upon this star," Nova said. Zuli returned to Earth, waking up in his bed, wondering if it had all been a dream, until he saw the glowing pendant around his neck. Every night, he looked up at the stars, smiling, knowing his adventure was real. Ending message. And so, Zuli became the guardian of Starhaven, a reminder that even the smallest person can make a big difference in the vastness of the universe.